Hi, my name is Jay and I'm from Road Manager, and I'm here to show you how to use the keyboard shortcuts in your Road Manager software. We've made this incredibly easy to use using the same shortcuts as you use in your Windows program, your Control-C, Control-X and Control-V. You can copy it over in the same plan, but we will also show you how to copy over to a different plan. Let's get stuck in. Now, to show you how to do this, I've got two sample plans that are the same, closure and closure. Take a look, you can see here these are just simple copies of the same. So in our second one, I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the features here. Have a look here on the top bar, you've got a number of options here. This makes it easy to select your items, and as we mentioned, you use the same controls as you would on your Windows. So if you want to select multiple items, you can hold the control button and you'll be able to select multiple items. Of course, deselect them. First, let's start by showing you how you can select some items. There are a couple of ways you can do this. However, I find one of the easiest ones is to use the select box. This allows you to select multiple items in one go. Click the point and then double click and then double click. And you can see it will select all items within that box. You can simply then Control X and you'll be able to delete those. Control Z will of course bring them back as well. Let's go ahead and delete all these and show you how you can copy over from a separate plan. Let's delete that from our sample plan and we will go back to our previous plan. Now if we select again using the select box, select all the items, Control X, turn back to our plans. And you can see here a Control-V will paste all the items into location. However, it will post it into the middle of the screen, so you will have to move some of these items to their correct location if they don't lock into place directly. As you can see, we've made it incredibly easy for you to be able to cut, copy and paste your plans, which will make it easy in getting started with your Road Manager software. If you do need more information, please go to the roadmanager.com website.